Hi everyone, I am Bhuvana and I am now going to explain how to interface DHT11 sensor with ESP8266 Nodemcu. This is ESP8266 Nodemcu, which is a Wi-Fi module. It consists of 9 digital pins D0 to D8, VCC pin 3.3 volts and a ground pin. We use only these pins for this project, and we should connect to the laptop using a USB cable. This is a DHT11 sensor which consists of 3 pins: VCC, data pin and ground pin. The VCC pin is connected to the 3.3 volts pin of Nodemcu and the ground pin is connected to the ground pin of Nodemcu. Here we can connect the data pin to any of the digital pins. Here I connected to D2 pin. We use DHT11 sensor mostly because of its low cost, and it also gives accurate readings of temperature and humidity. There are many types of DHT sensors, but we mostly use DHT11 sensor. We can observe the values of temperature and humidity on the serial monitor using Arduino software, and we can also observe the values in the form of graphs on Thingspeak server. We should connect the DHT11 sensor to the Thingspeak server using the Wi-Fi module. This is the code for DHT11 sensor. First, we should include the DHT library. This is DHT header file, and then ESP8266 Wi-Fi module library. Here we should give the network which we are using, the username, and here we should give the password. Here I'm using DHT pin D2, so I have defined D2 here, and in the void setup, we should give the baud rate as 115200 and a delay then we should connect to the Wi-Fi module, and in the loop, read humidity and read temperature are the functions which are included in the DHT library which we have declared here. And in the if loop, isnan indicates that if the humidity, H or temperature are 0 and if they cannot be read from the sensor, then they display the message showing that fail to read from DHT sensor using the println function. Then another if loop is used to connect to the server. The server here is Thingspeak. We can print different statements using the print function here. And at last, we should give a delay of 1000 milliseconds. Create your Thingspeak account. If you already have it, then you can directly log in. In the channel section, it will show how many projects have I created. Let's open the DHT11 sensor. Here we use write API key because we are writing data from sensor to Thingspeak server. So we should copy paste this key in this code in place of API key. Then compile the code. It's showing done compiling. It also displays that it used 26% of the program storage space. It shows us how many bytes of the storage space it used. Then we should upload the code into the Nodemcu. And view the readings on the serial monitor. Here the temperature and humidity readings are displayed. As the temperature varies, then the temperature is displayed on the serial monitor. Now I am blowing on the DHT11 sensor, so the temperature and humidity values are varied. Then we can now also observe the temperature and humidity readings on the Thingspeak server. Click on private view. So these are the graphs displayed for the temperature and humidity. Observe that as I blow on the DHT11 sensor, the graphs vary.